Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. From title you guys know today is unboxing, and this is the purchase that I made on my first shopping vlog in the Dior boutique. And in today's video I'm gonna show you which handbag I picked, so let's do it together. I love the packaging. At that day I was in the boutique, try on the bag, then I decided to purchase this one. I didn't bring with me. I asked them to ship to my home, so they shipped it, and here we go. And this is the original package. So in today's video I also will share with you what fits and some model shots, so at least you have an idea. So here is the one. Are you ready? Yeah, this is the Dior Bobby bag in the medium size, in kind of like a gray color. This is the pebble leather, which is very durable, not like the smooth leather. When this bag first came out, I already know I love this shape, I love this bag, but the price tag is really high. They come with the 3 sizes. They start with the small size, medium size, and the large size. I think the medium size is very good size for everyday use, and I kind of feel like this bag is kind of low-key. If people doesn't know this logo, they probably don't know what this bag come from. Do you know where it's from?
Dior.
My little boy know everything. He's following me every single video, so he probably know what this bag from. He said that this is Dior, okay. But I'm sure my hubby doesn't know this is from Dior. Anyway, so this is the one, and the back has the pocket. It has a removable strap. Here is, let's just go quickly take it out everything. So it comes with the strap. This strap is adjustable. I tried it at the store and I really like the length of the strap. So let me just take it out. Okay, so this is the strap they come with. It is adjustable. It is the magnet closure. When you open it, you will see this is suede leather, and the interior is like this. It does have the back pocket, very tight pocket, but you still can put something like a car holder or something, no problem. Back there has one pocket. It's a pretty loom, and I will show you what can fit next. I probably will use a bag organizer to protect the interior lining. It is a suede leather. I don't want to get any mark or anything, so in the future I probably will order the bag organizer for this bag. So the next thing I will share with you what can fit into this bag. So yeah, let's do it. Now I already fill out this bag in the maximum capacity, so I'm gonna quickly to show you what's inside. Here's my Sunny, my 6 key holder, Victorian wallet, and mini pochette, pocket organizer, and a card holder, and my cell phone, and lipstick. So these are everything in this bag. Give you the quick screenshot. The capacity is not bad at all. So this is everything in the bag. I will show you some model shots, and you can take a look at how it goes on me. I'm 5'2". That's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see